Hey everyone, Steve with Roots of Rhythm. I know it's been a while since I've posted videos. I thought I would kind of shoot this video here today as I went for a walk. I'm in Heristrau Park in Bucharest, Romania, where I recently got a new contract and I'm going to be working for some time now. I've actually had several contracts this year and keeping me very busy. And so I've kind of had to put Roots of Rhythm on the back burner. There's that, and I guess I've also just been taking a little time to kind of contemplate things about where I want to go with this thing, how I can make my Roots of Rhythm, my platform, a bit unique and something that's going to be useful for people, fill a gap in people's lives and help them find fulfillment in their lives. So I've been thinking a lot about how I do that, and I've hinted at it in some of my videos, I guess, where I mentioned that wanted to focus on the health benefits of music, and not only on that, but on, like playing the drums in a musical way rather than focusing on fancy rhythms and rudiments and such. So I got thinking about, like what first got me into music in the first place. I think it was the appreciation of the musicians and the talent that they had, the ability they had to play these instruments the way they did. And I think that's something that's lost in today's music. I mean, today's music is all pre-programmed and auto-tuned, and it's all about selling records and filling stadiums and dance routines. It doesn't focus anymore on the musicianship, which for hundreds, maybe thousands of years, that was what music was all about. It was about that, the beauty that comes from the soul when a talented musician can actually, bring out their voice. And by bring out their voice, I guess what I'm trying to say is that, whether you're a singer or a guitar player, a drummer, the most important aspect of it is bringing your emotion, your feeling. The best drummers, the best singers, the best musicians at any instrument, it's really about that, isn't it? It's about their soul, bearing their soul when they play their instrument or when they write their song. Been thinking a lot about, what direction I want to go with the Roots of Rhythm. Not sure exactly yet what that's going to look like. But what I do know is that I will continue doing the drum lessons that we've been doing, but I want to expand that, and I want to hopefully make Roots of Rhythm into a platform that going to focus on music itself and real music played by real musicians. Not to knock any of the electronic stuff that's out these days, but there seems to be so much popularity there. I feel like maybe it's part of my journey to help keep real music alive, played by real musicians, and keep an interest in that. So stay tuned and keep on keeping on, and we'll see which direction this thing goes.